corner of the world. Hackers demanding money have paralyzed computers in at least 99 countries. In the U.S.,
up to 50 million users' accounts potentially compromised tonight. Their personal information now at risk.
Attack on JP Morgan Chase. With a bank this big, it raises big questions about the safety of personal accounts and national security.
As malicious software paralyzed 16 hospital computer systems across England.
News alert. Officials at Equifax says a cybersecurity breach of its computers could affect 143 million American consumers.
Cybercrime is running rampant. The speed that cybercrime is growing is beyond anything witnessed before. With the ability to take down companies, industries, and whole economies, and even nations. In 2017 alone, there were 1,589 data breaches. Even more shocking were the 158 million social security numbers that were exposed the same year. Cybercrime losses are at a staggering $3 trillion per year and are expected to hit more than $6 trillion by 2021. Everything that is connected to the internet is at risk. Transportation networks, including railways, infrastructure, energy grids, communications networks, health services. This is in addition to the ever-increasing risk to corporate security. In fact, 16 intelligence agencies that determine the country's biggest threats have named cyber attacks as the #1 danger to the United States. All is not lost, though. There is a new breed of crime fighter, one that has been named one of the world's hottest cybersecurity companies in 2018 by global research firm Cybersecurity Ventures. I'm betting on this little-known pure-play cybersecurity company named VirtualArmour. And this is where investors could have the opportunity to profit. They are creating innovative cybersecurity solutions as rapidly as the threats appear. The cybersecurity market is hot, and it's going to get even hotter. VirtualArmour is a Denver-based, fast-growing cybersecurity provider that is emerging as a leader in the sector by securing against next-generation attacks for its corporate customers. The company boasts an impressive client retention rate, with customers that include Fortune 500 companies and several industry sectors in over 30 countries across 5 continents. This financially stable company generates revenue through 3 streams: managed cybersecurity services, professional services, and hardware and software sales. Right now, VirtualArmour reports strong margins on current business with healthy recurring revenues. Oh, and by the way, 75% of the company's employees are engineers, the brains needed to stay steps ahead of cybercriminals. This is why VirtualArmour is my #1 cybersecurity pick. With most companies trading within the cybersecurity sector at the $15 to $35 range, VirtualArmour is one of the few stocks that gives investors the potential for explosive returns. I believe, right now, this company is setting up for a big breakout. The next cyber attack could propel VirtualArmour to huge gains. Cybersecurity stocks typically soar after highly publicized attacks. Don't miss your investment opportunity for potential profits. Having said that, always remember, I'm not telling readers what to invest in. I'm telling you what I'm invested in and why. That's right, I don't want to tell you to buy. I'm telling you what I'm buying and selling as close to real time as possible. It's important to do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions. I'm in. How about you? This is James West from the Midas Lab. Oh, and a friendly reminder, always consult a duly accredited investment professional in your jurisdiction prior to making any investment decisions.